What's up? It's your boy Noodle Nick, reviewer, #1 keyboard reviewer on this side of the Mississippi. And today we're going to be taking a look at Mechlands. We got some Hall effect. We got some, this one's real heavy and expensive. I think this one's the super nice one. Yeah, we got quite a variety here of different prices and we're going to check them out and we're going to game on them. Let's get unboxing. Let's check out the Vibe75. All right, nice presentation. I like the blue. Oh, this one's very light. I like that. Oh, that's cute. So it's pretty light, clearly ABS, body. So you got Mac and Windows, your Type-C, 2.4 gig USB and Bluetooth. You got cute little screws sticking out the back. That's adorable. Mechlands symbol on the side. For the back, we got a little metal plate, plastic. You have rubber feet in your flat mode, and then you have short mode. That also has a little rubber on it. And there's also the dongle. I may have dropped it on the ground. And then you have the front. That's pretty cute. I got this one because of the color scheme. It's got gray caps, got a red space bar and escape, and then this side's black. And then you got your little screen. I'm assuming it has a little plastic. All right, do sound test. All right, what does it come with accessories wise? Type A to Type C, keycap switch puller. That's it. 1 down, 3 to go. Let's move on to a different kind of keyboard. I guess I'll try out the M75. So it's just wired, no wireless. Hall effect gaming keyboard with a knob. Got a little extra insert. Type A to Type C, respectably long. Keycap switch puller. And this one comes with 2 extra switches. Are Hall effect switches more likely to fail? Is that true? Tell me down in the comments, would you? Appreciate it. Because they always include extra switches with the Hall effect, but not always with mechanical. That's cute. I like it. Pretty nice. 3, 2, 1. Is it cool? Whoa, it's got like paint splash on the top. Oh, I love the green. That's a perfect green, like neon. It's got a little knob instead of the screen. You could turn it, click it, bop it. Looks alien. Wow. You got your off on instead of your mode switch, because there's no mode switch. It's only wireless. I mean, it's only wired. Type C, Mac, Windows switch. Leave that on Windows. And that's it. There's your M75. Oh, and the back. Plastic time. Nice. So there you go, M75, Mechlands. We're gonna head on back into the Vibe75 territory. This is the other color that's available, but it's the same exact thing. No need to read the specs, just unbox, look at it, shiny, move on to next one. Same accessories. Everyone's tired of the accessories. Got it, we're skipping the accessories. Cool. Okay. Look at it. It's blue. Like I said, it's got the 3 wired modes. It's the same as the other screen one. It's just blue, isn't it cute? Let me take the little plastic off at least. You guys deserve that much. Ooh, nice. That's pretty cute. Oh wait, we gotta take the back off too. Nice, same thing, but it's white with the little feet. Last but not least, we have the Blade75, Mechlands Blade75. This is the heavy one, 75% aluminum, triple mode, gasket mounted mechanical keyboard with a knob. Okay. I think honestly, out of all 3 of those, I like the green one the most. Maybe the red one's pretty cool too, but oh yeah, that's aluminum. My wrist is broken. Oh. Wait, hold on, stop. It's glittery, the edges. Oh yeah, this one is high quality, dude. I'm about to break ankles in freaking Marvel Rival with this. Very premium, very heavy duty. We have a knob. Clicky, cool. We have the green color scheme. I think it follows the exact F5 through F8 escape. Oh, the only difference is the knob on this one is green and the knob on this one is like glittery like the case. I like that better. I like the glitter more. Type C, you got your Bluetooth 2.4G and your wired, and there's your little USB dongle for your Bluetooth. And on the back, there's a mirror. That is a really nice mirror. I like it. Can you see me in the reflection? I can see the camera. Is the Riz working? Will you buy it? Buy? God dang, that thing is a freaking thulk. Heavy duty buoy. And then we have this box of accessories. A little nicer unboxing experience. Oh, look at these switches, are so sick. Okay. Keycap switch puller, standard, same as you got for the rest of them. Nice. Wow. Sound test. Very quiet. And you get 3 extra ones of those. First impressions. I really like your style, man. Mr. Mechland, what's up, dude? This shit's great. Look at this. I really like the style. At least we get like some good color schemes, and the aluminum one especially. Big fan of this one. Yeah, I mean, I hate to say just right off rip that like the most expensive one out of all these is my favorite, you know, like obviously, but I really like the aluminum one. It's my favorite. I know they said you're not supposed to like pick a favorite kid or whatever, but this is my favorite kid. Yeah, it's cool. So I guess we're just gonna test them out, see how they feel. That's pretty much it, man. Let's see how the RGB looks and the responsiveness of each one kind of, and see how it feels, and just the general vibe 75 of things, you know what I'm saying? Now we game with 4 keyboards at the same time. Just kidding. Anyways, see you on the Marvel Rifle battlefield. We got the Vibe 75. Here we go, plugging her in. We're just gonna go one at a time every round. Ooh, I love that little startup sequence. We can do this. This is what a consumer would get when they buy this no wrist, so I must test. It's also got the like caps lock and the number lock and stuff up on the screen. I love that. It feels good. They're definitely not like Hall effect or. It feels good. It feels nice and buttery. What's happening?
Double KO.
Hey buddy, come back here. Hey, come here. I save you. I'm stuck on the dumpster, guys. Uh-oh, I got stuck on dumpster. Not good. I'm not fighting, bro, relax. I'm just here to heal Hulk. Hulk, save me.
Eyes by a sniper.
Let's go, baby. Did you see that bullet curve? That was wild. I know I should be looking in front of me, but... I love being a healer, dude. Sometimes you just gotta lock in and just be, you know, take one for the team. Let's go, baby.
Leave them to Khonshu.
Kill you. Yeah, how'd that freaking ult go for you, buddy? Is this just one round? Jeff, let me get a ride. Come on, dude. I'm healing. I'm here to heal. I'll take it. Thanks, Mechlands. So, that was a vibe, you know what I'm saying? Okay, this is the aluminum one, the super heavy one. Ooh. Bot match, too easy. They're not even mad. Classic sign, they're trash.
Everybody needs a hand sometimes.
I need healing.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Firepower!
Control C.
Yes. Uh-oh, who's this? Hey. Imagine getting clipped by GIF.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have
Oh, look at his little feet. Let's go, bro. What's this one called again? I forget. Wait, there's another match. Lock in. I'm sure we're gonna struggle winning this one. Walk through. I dare you.
The moon haunts you! Born again!
Oh, we're rezzed?
Circle mission area is yours to capture now.
Where are we going? Where am I going? Where am I going? Where am I going? I can't get anyone.
We are undefeatable!
Rise, my friends!
We'll have to keep playing until we have a winner.
How much is it gonna take to kill this Venom?
The moon!
Come on, man. We're right in the end. Sweet. You know what I mean? Did we win? I was in free cam. GG. Yes. This has been 4 keyboards from Mechlands, 2 Vibe75s, 1 M75, and of course the aluminum version. I can't remember the name of it. I like this one the most, the aluminum version. The other one, the Vibe75, was also really good. If you want a nice ABS case, good for gaming, whatnot, feel nice and, you know, it just feels good and responsive, you know, nice and bouncy. It gives you a good little bit of recoil on the press. I don't know what else to say, but I love it. I love the designs of them. Definitely, you know, if you're kind of budget, check out the Vibe75 in the red and black. That one's pretty cool. But if you got the money, definitely check out the aluminum version. I like that one the most. Nice and heavy, very high duty, high quality. Felt nice gaming. Looks cool with a little wrist rest. Look at that, paired up nice. Little wooden wrist rest. That's nice. Little coiled cable, you know what I'm saying? That also looks really good with the aluminum body. But yeah, overall thoughts on Mechlands. I love them, man. I'm not going to give you guys a rating. I just think it was really good. That's it, plain and simple. 4 good quality keyboards at a decent competitive price. If you'd like to check out Mechlands for yourself, I'll leave a link for their website down in the description. I'll leave a link for all of these keyboards shown in the video. And yeah, I would really appreciate it if you left a like, comment if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next tech review. Peace.